Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Webull account using your mobile device. To create a Webull account, first of all, download and install Webull application on your mobile device via Google Play Store or App Store and launch it open. You will then end up in the login interface. To create a new account on Webull, click on the sign up button at the top right next to New to Webull sign. Now on the next page, go ahead and enter your mobile phone number after selecting your country code. If you don't want to continue with mobile number, you can also tap on switch to email and enter an email address you want to sign up with. Type in any one option such as email or phone number and then tap on I have read box at the bottom and click next. On the next page, you'll need to verify your email or your phone number. Go ahead and open up your SMS app if you have typed in your phone number and your email if you have typed in your email, and then you will receive a verification code. Enter the 6-digit verification code that you received via your email or phone number. After typing down your 6-digit code, you will then be able to create a new password or set a new password for your account. Go ahead and write down a strong password, including the criteria given below the password box. After typing down a secure password, go to the next field and type in the new password. Type in the password once again to confirm it. Finally, click on sign up at the bottom and then you'll be able to create a new account for Webull. Now you can go ahead and fill in your personal details in your profile section. Go ahead and enter your personal information, link a phone number, enable two-factor authentication, and so on. So that is how you can easily create a new account on Webull. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.